Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. I'm excited to add a new vehicle that we've got. It's a 2005 F750 Cummins turbo diesel with an Allison 3000 attached to it. This vehicle only has 19,000 miles, folks. If you're looking for pre-emissions, diesel 20-foot snake bed to add to your fleet, this is the one you want to do it with. We went through it top to bottom. Our guys at Truck South did a really good job putting this truck together, resurfacing it and making sure that it's ready to go to work. My guys did a terrific job getting it ready in the paint job that we did on it. Laid a brand new floor in the back, painted the grills and everything with a truck bed coating. We did a high gloss, really durable paint here on all the racks, along the body and on the chassis. It's got brand new tires wrapped all the way around it. I'm gonna let Hector go up on the inside and show off how nice this vehicle is. If you're looking for a really nice truck, we feel this is one of the nicest ones probably in the country. No serious dents or dings down the body side. Again, we put brand new 20-foot 2x6s. There's no breaks in the boards. That's a #1 treated that we put in it on this nappy body that we got. It's also got this spindle hook and air attachment system for towing trailers and stuff. That's really cool, really nice. It's a rare feature on these trucks. Again, I can get down the side here so we can show them how nice that body looks. We'll open this up so you can get on here on the passenger side. No rips or tears. The floor is in like new condition. The whole truck is in like new condition. Come around here, we'll pop the hood. Looking for a really nice piece of equipment, this 2005 pre-emissions rust-free truck. It's got the Cummins, the Allison 3000. It's got the towing system that's on it for towing trailers with the air brake ride system. It's just a super nice truck. If you got any questions about this vehicle, please call us at 919-661-2886. Visit us on our website for the still pictures at josephmotorsnc.com. And we'd sure love the opportunity to help you out. It gets you in a really nice truck. I challenge you to come look at this truck, look at it online, look at the video. You're going to see the difference of what a used truck is supposed to be. We're really happy the way this thing turned out. We'd love to have you as our customer. We're dealing with an A+ rated dealer with a BDB. We've been with them for over 19 years at the Better Business Bureau. We have a 5-star Google rating. And we'd just love the opportunity to have you as a customer. If you have any questions, please give us a call. And at the end of this video, please give us a like. We hope to see you soon. This is Nick Watson, Joseph Motors, Raleigh, NC. Thank you.